Welcome to Saul's Autotek. Welcome to our lobby. When you arrive, you're welcome to grab a seat, make yourself at home, or grab a warm cup of coffee while we get a look at your vehicle. Here we are in our inspection bay. When you arrive, we're going to listen to your concerns, we're going to bring your vehicle in, and we're going to have an ASE certified master technician look at it immediately. Here at Saul's Autotek, we're experts in vehicle service, and we offer world-class repair. Here we are in our alignment bay showing you our state-of-the-art piece of equipment made by Ferrari, owned by less than a dozen shops in this hemisphere that can perform an alignment on your vehicle and pull live readings without touching the surface of your car. Let's take a minute to talk about some of the cars a little out of the ordinary, the stuff some of the other guys don't want to touch. An RV, a service truck, even a box truck, commercial vehicle, grade 8, we service everything. Big or small, we fix them all. Come and see us here at Saul's Autotek. We'll be waiting for you. 7 days a week, 365 days a year.